everybody, Hugh here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be working on this project. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it apart. I don't wanna bore you doing it in a video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it, take it apart, take the wheels out, take everything I need to take out, and then I wanna show you the ideas I have for my frame. So let's go from there. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I got it apart. So I like this one better than the F-150. I mean, I love the F-150, but I like the way this one come apart because you can keep this one like not doing anything to it, and that's what I like about it. So what I'm gonna work is on this one. So what I gotta do is I have to cut this part right here. So I already put a mark in there, so I have to go around, just take this part out. So I'm gonna keep the floor. So I already measured the engine, and it's like 13 inches wide. This is like 14, so it's gonna fit just right. So let's do it. Okay guys, I have the first cut. So I just cut this spot right here. So now this flat to the ground. So that's what I want. So I want it to be flat complete, so I can start checking what I'm gonna do, my bends and my cuts. So it's getting there. So now I'm just gonna put it back, because if you pay attention to this, here is flat, but here this part is still touching the ground, so it's not really sitting down yet. So this is the next step. Okay, I got the two parts cut, front and back, and I'm just presenting the engine right there right now. And I like the way it's gonna be sitting because the sprocket is right here. So I might just move it a little bit that way so I can make the chain go under this plastic. Is right in the middle, so I can do that. And I'm gonna use a gearbox, so the gearbox can be like right under the seat, and then from the gearbox to the sprocket to the back, so it can be like right in the middle. So I think it's gonna work pretty good. Alright guys, I have the measurements I need to start making my frame. So for right now I'm just gonna cut. I need a 2 square 22 inches long, and I need another 2 22 inches long. So I'm gonna cut that ones now, and then I'll tell you how I'm gonna use it. So let's do it. Alright, I had two 22 inches long, and I had two 23 inches long, and they already cut 45, so I can just weld it together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna weld it together, and then I can figure it out where to go from there. So So this is a frame, and it's a 23 by 22. So this is the beginning of my frame. So I'm gonna show you what I got, what I have done on my new project. So what I got done so far is I got the frame. So this one right here is like the middle part of the where the car is gonna sit, and so this one is a 23 by 22, and then this one is only 10 inches, and these ones are 6. So my point is, I want to make these ones 40 inches, long. So that is about right there right now. And in the back, I'm gonna do the same thing. I already made my measurements with my axle, and it's gonna be 40 and 40. So it's gonna be pretty even. And I'm gonna wait for the last to mount my shocks, because I still need to mount the engine. So I want to know how far I can go with my box when I'm enclosed. So I don't want to do it right now. Right now it's just sitting like that. Still, you put pressure on it, that's what happens. So for right now, it's just started. All right, let me show you how it looks when I sit this far. So this is the front. So it's gonna sit right in the frame, right there. So it's gonna be around there. So you see, I don't know if you can see, but I have a lot of space in between the tires, so I think it's gonna look pretty good. So now I just need to try to put the engine just to see what I'm gonna be making my enclosure. So let's get in there. I'm pretty happy with the progress, so let's do it. Okay guys, this is how far I am on my frame. So the last piece I put on is this frame right here. It's a 17 by 17, and it's the one that's gonna have the shocks. So it's gonna work like this. So it's got a lot of freedom both ways. So I have a lot of space, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's gonna be pretty good actually. So this guy's gonna be like right there. So I just need to make my base from here so I can attach these guys. I'm gonna be pretty good. That's gonna be a maybe an easy way to do it, but I don't know. So today I'm gonna try to install the harness. So I got one before, but it wasn't complete, so I got a new one. I'm gonna try to figure it out if I can make it work and use the button to crank it up. So it's gonna be a challenge, but let's do it. So first, I think I have to take this one off. I have a feeling that, well, no, it's working pretty good. Okay guys, finally I gotta figure it out. So I connect all my cables. I did it like 10 times, and finally I got it right. So now you see I got the starter button. It's not doing anything, but when I open the switch, so it works now. I think that's a good thing. I don't know if I got it right, but it sounds pretty good right now. So I just gonna leave it like that for now until I install it on my project, and then we figure it out. But everything looks alright, and that's all. Okay guys, this is gonna be part 1 of my video, because I still have long ways to go, so I cannot make one long video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it up on this one, and then I come out with the second part. I might probably gonna be like in 3 parts. I'm gonna try to make it on 2, but let's see. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.